So the knowledge we are going to gain from today's topic is about heading of HTML, so I will tell you about heading or its types. So here you can see these are the headings in HTML, or heading format is in descending order from bigger to smaller. First one is the main heading, second one is the subheading, and then from small to small. So you can see here the levels of heading on your screen in descending form. As I told you, we have 6 different size of headings or different level of headings. So while going practically, as you can see here, we have this web page. We have 2 headings there. On number 1 is my book, and second heading or subheading is collection of books. When we go to Visual Studio Code, we can see here my book is in H1 syntax, the syntax of main heading, and syntax in H2 is collection of book subheading. Okay, so by removing the second heading H2, if we copy the first one and paste it here 6 times means 5 times more. And save it or check on a web page, you see here we got 6 headings but in a same size. Now we will change these 6 headings in a sequence from 1 to 6 by creating change in the syntax heading, changing no from 1 to 2, 1 to 3, same as 4, 5, 6. So now here all syntax are changed. We will save it and refresh our web page. You see we got 6 headings but in different size in descending order from bigger to smaller. So basically H1 is used for the main heading and H2 is used for the subheading, and same as H3 is subheading or going to smaller or smaller. Don't use this to bold or resize the text because every heading has its default size, but you can change it by going or changing the properties.